How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick walkthrough of this 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX. It's an absolutely beautiful boat. We designed it ourselves, all white hull with the white rub rail, stainless steel insert, and you can see inside the brown interior just looks amazing. This boat does have docking lights up front built into the hull. And in the stern of this boat, you've got a massive Mercury 300 AMS in the nice white finish pushing this boat. Let's check out inside. All right, we're here at the inside of this Sea Ray 250 SDX. And this is one of my favorite interiors of any of the Sea Rays, just because of how different it is and how uniquely everything's laid out. So we're gonna start at the bow. Up here, you've got two coolers right in here, and you can see it's a walk through all the way into the starboard side of the bow. You've got this nice bench here. You can sit up to 3 people relatively comfortably. You've got your anchor storage all the way up in the front, and even your little cabin window right down below your feet. Cup holders all throughout, and LED lighting to cover up this bow area. All right, guys, I'm sitting here in the head/cabin of this 250 SDX, and it's a really big head space. And I say /cabin because you've got these cushions here and where I'm sitting as well, which you'll be able to see. So you can also lay down this for some extra laying room, and you've actually got a really nice size little area in here to escape the sun. All right, guys, take a look at this helm right here. You've got this really nice 12-inch Simrad built-in display. It's flush with the dash there, just looks really clean, along with this Fusion audio head unit, which is also flush. It's just a very clean dash up here. You've got all your switches, adjustable steering wheel, and your digital binnacle here. It's a really nice, clean looking helm. Moving back into the cockpit, we're gonna maximize our space here by switching back our helm seat and our co-pilot seat. Now look at all this room in the cockpit here. The seat color and everything about this boat and the layout of how the seating is just, I love it. You've got the white sports tower with the huge Fusion speakers for your wakeboarders, tubers, skiers, anybody on the back of the boat. And you've got this really nice brown carpet to match the seats. Cup holders safely tucked away, and room for your cockpit table as well. So moving all the way back to my favorite part of this boat. This is why I call this boat the Transformer boat. It's because right now you want to maximize your cockpit seating space, but let's say now the kids are jumping off the back, you're up at the sandbar, and you want to maximize your space in the back of the boat. Lean that back, scoot back this chair, and now look at the size of your swim platform back here. You've got even more speakers, USB plugs, a ton more cup holders. I mean, you've just got a bunch of space now on the stern and on the swim platform of your 250 SDX. Fusion audio unit back here. I mean, this is the best seat in the house right here. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this walkthrough on this 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you have any questions about this boat or you want to come and check it out in person, this boat is available here at MarineMax Coco, or you can give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you, guys. See you next time.